Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and today I have the keys to one of the coolest Aston Martins ever produced. This is a 2015 Aston Martin V12 Vantage S, and it is, in every sense of the word, a British muscle car. But before you get too upset, let's talk about what the definition of a muscle car is. Traditionally, a muscle car is taking a big motor from the big family-sized car and shoehorning it into a smaller, lightweight car to build a very fast power muscle house. And that's exactly what Aston Martin did with the V12 Vantage. For this car, the Vantage is traditionally the lower-end V8 powered sports car, but here they shoehorned a massive 6-liter V12, which will propel this thing over 200 miles per hour under the hood in this Vantage, which makes for a really special car that I'll be showing you today. And you could actually purchase the keys to this exact car, which is for sale here at Certified Benz & Beamer. So starting with what is undoubtedly the most important part of this car is the engine bay. This is our massive 6-liter V12, and you can see that they really shoehorned it in here. I mean, even the hood is very lightweight with tons of real functional vents for good heat extraction, because this thing's going to need lots of extra cooling than the standard V8 that would go in here. Just look at some of the clearance. Obviously the dual throttle bodies, these massive intakes, even our hand-built in England plaque, which is quite nice to make what is a very, very special Aston Martin. But let's talk about the details of this particular car. So under the hood here is a 6-liter V12, which Aston Martin rates at 473 bhp, so that's the British horsepower rating, and in US it's about 565 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque, which is absolutely incredible, a huge upgrade over the standard V8 Vantage. Now on top of that, this car has it paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, although there was an available 6-speed manual, and it delivers power to the rear wheels. Now what does that translate to in terms of performance? Now this car weighs somewhere in the neighborhood of around 3,800 pounds, and with this monstrous muscle car engine over here under the hood, this thing will do 0 to 60 in about 3.7 seconds with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Yes, this is a 200 mile per hour plus Aston Martin. Absolutely crazy. Let's check out the rest of the car and take a quick listen to this glorious V12. So here is the key to the Aston Martin V12 Vantage S, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, and it has a hefty weight to it to feel very premium. I also love the pictures they used for lock and unlock, not to mention you have your various lighting and even trunk pop features. It's a very, very nice key. Now as we look at the exterior of this particular car, this one is finished in a beautiful pearl white metallic that looks fantastic, but what makes this car special is the appearance has changed for the Aston Martin V12 Vantage S. First and foremost, we got to talk about the obvious. That's going to be these functional heat extractors, which are carbon fiber, and they make the car look incredibly aggressive. You'll also notice the very wide fender flares, and even here in the front grille is even more carbon fiber in this lower splitter, and it looks absolutely fantastic. And of course, Aston Martin styling, this originally beautiful shape, just always seems to fit perfectly for these cars. If we go ahead and take a look, there's some other performance added benefits, including the fact that this car has carbon ceramic brakes. This is a seriously fast Aston Martin. As I mentioned, this thing will do over 205 miles per hour, so you have to make sure that you can come to a stop. And what we have here are 19-inch wheels, and of course they are staggered, so it's going to be wider in the rear here. We actually have 255s in the front, and these rear tires here are 305. So that's what you get on the Shelby GT350, which is a bigger car than this. So absolutely massive tires to handle all of the power heading to the back. And again, carbon ceramic brakes. Of course, the doors are very cool as well. We do have carbon fiber garnishes here in the side. These are power folding mirrors that of course fold in when the car is locked. I do want to show you the way the doors open, which as you pull it open, you'll notice the door goes up and you get what is essentially a little bit of a butterfly, but that's going to help so that the door actually clears the curb when you open it up, which is a very, very intelligent feature. Let's go ahead and close that up and we'll keep moving on. As we come around to the back here, we have a very nice aggressive, almost like duckbill spoiler, which is actually into the body line, and that looks very sharp. You'll also notice it's the trunk that you can open up as well. And we can see our V12 Vantage S logo mixed in with some more carbon fiber and even the Aston Martin wings. it looks really, really good. In the bottom here, we of course have some extra aero flat bottom style pieces to get the air out from under very quickly. More carbon fiber, these dual exhaust outlets, and it's just a very, very good looking, very wide Aston Martin. So next I want to go ahead and show you the interior. So if we go ahead and open it up here and take a look inside, we have quite a lot of nice luxury features. First of all, here in the sill, we can see hand-built in England V12 Vantage S. A very cool way to make the car feel very special. We have these very heavily bolstered leather seats, which look quite nice, especially with the center stripe. And if we take a look at the interior, there's lots of other very, very nice luxurious features, including some of the various memory and power controls for the seats there in the center. Now let's go ahead and hop in the car and I can show you some very cool James Bond-like features. So in this case, here is our various engine start-stop controls. We take our very beautiful key, you put it in with the wings matching, and you can go ahead and start the car. And the V12 roars to life, carbon fiber in the doors, adjustable power mirror controls, and the screens that pop up, along with our little audio system, which is a Bang & Olufsen sound system in this car, which pops up as well. The steering wheel looks great with cruise control buttons, but very limited functionality. But you do get these carbon fiber shift paddles on the side here, so you can shift the 7-speed automatic into a manual mode, and you can drive the car that way. And we can see there's more carbon fiber here in the center. We have our various sport modes, which are just a push of a button. Same with the drive functions as well. We have our various radio controls, climate controls, traction control, suspension adjustment, fog lights, etc. You name it, navigation. It's all in here for this car, and it is absolutely incredible. You even have this little spot here, which is technically for holding the key, but we have it in the engine start feature. Here's what the gauge cluster looks like. Very minimal digital displays, mostly focused on being very analog, and you can even see that the speedometer goes to 220 miles per hour, which this car is 200 plus capable, which is absolutely incredible. And if we take a look in the back, Aston being grand touring in nature, you can even see there's definitely some room for some luggage, backpacks, whatever the case, plus that trunk. And it makes for a very practical car inside this Aston Martin while getting all of the benefits of this glorious V12 powered Vantage, which is such an incredible car. So there you have it. That is going to be the end of the video. This is one of the most special Aston Martins ever produced, with the fact that they essentially built a British muscle car by shoving a massive 6-liter V12 under the hood of this V12 Vantage S. And they are just incredible cars, and they sound incredible, and they are very, very fast with speeds in excess of 200 miles per hour. Plus, not to mention, this car is for sale. As I mentioned at the beginning, this car is actually offered from certified Benz and Beamer. So if you want to purchase a car like this, you can actually buy this exact car in this beautiful pearl white spec here in Scottsdale, Arizona. But with that, that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it and could hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Let me know what you think down below of this incredible Aston Martin, and of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.